TJ, your belly I get big though, you turn me off. You look like me have to lock off the light and shut my eye and bag you. Or I should take you through a glory hole. Maybe it's through a glory hole, me should have take you, you know. Cause me not like so much pouch up front, you know. Eh, why you have your pullman at the front? Why you never come with a cross bag? Sure. Your tummy high, man. Get up and go jog. You not have the earline your belly big. Eh? Man, you come out like Uncle Ben Brown Rice, you know. Me not like the image. And that the girl them a fight over. TJ go on here. However look for you not the image, you know, if you ever want big painting. Apple man nice. So Apple, you mean to say the boy in the house and not know the baby? Whoa, the struggles is real. Fly there foreign. The struggle is real. You mean to say Apple with all of the money with the internet claim to say you have the baby don't know the baby and the baby in the house. In the house. Huh? Apple, then me could have really sit down in my game chair and envy you. You must be crazy. Braids wagwan. The man ate you. The man ate you here. To all the man ate your salvation alone and pick you up. Now I don't understand. Then Apple the man, the boy cute though. I can't get over the boy pulchritude. I want to know him mother. Me would have liked to know the boy them mother. Apple didn't have to buy that. That's a trophy. That's our trophy. Yeah, that's not a trophy, you know, that's a trophy. Now ask you, tell me, I tell you, then Apple you can have that the face and the filter and look like your man. Eh? She hope you maybe, I don't know, maybe Apple and dirty. Apple and dirty, Apple are the only one who see a keep crucifixion. For all of the sea creature them turn up. Me I thought Macy and some of them more. Yeah. So me not understand. You know me ever stop tuning to your Shebada, lad man. You just have findings, must have been a trouble you. Then Apple come here now. Your man nice. Apple your man cute. Apple them boy they forget mine, you know. I only want them go work. Me that fret or so me that sit down. We say I do 9 to 5 from 9 o'clock me there pan. When I say at 1:05, all my belly a cramp, me think a contraction and I not breathe. For true, when I see the boy step through the gate. Apple your man nice. Then Apple come in and then why you better go breathe, you know, so the boy never want a baby from me. The boy never want a baby from me. And you won't go breathe. I just that me I ask you. Me not ask you nothing hard. You won't go breathe all your money the boy never want. With all of your cash and coins, the boy don't want. On Father's Day, you are crying sorrow. Kumar, tell the flowers the rest are hip. Please and thank you. Yeah. You are crying, Dada. You just born Apple. On Father's Day, you are crying, Dada. Dada. You not even start creep yet. And you attack. Eh? You will walk and lend out money so now live a good life. Go buy happiness. Go and buy happiness. Call AliExpress team or Fashion over no check Shein. And that coffee I go get. You get it? Me not like it's sad though. You go take pretty man and the boy nice and me nipple them a jump a lambada. La mosuma say Vanessa umena umdo. La 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 cha la 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 chololo chickling ding me not understand uno. You want peace of the summer. But I don't like me to tell, not tell me for go yet, my baby. Not tell me for go yet. I may not come up yonder. Eh? Then I know not laugh off a dime. Una laugh off a dime. Dime. Huh? You must be crazy. I want to laugh off a dime. I say I can't get over the fact of how figure it out talks to them AI teeth. Figure it out your lie. And you know say take off the veneers then your teeth go that favor the map of Asia. Eh? Figure it out to them AI teeth. You and Annie, you see you and Vanny deserve each. On the lie man, you can't make money together. You little teeth, them they look like people are skate pan them. Them favor like graffiti they pan them like L.A. Lewis write him name pan them for sure. I pay graffiti they pan your teeth figure it out. All them she wicked you say, look how long them are old it say your mouth think you want beard. He's a Madix. Then figure it out he's a little me, you know like beard. Then may have we got something in common. Me not understand this. Eh? Me not understand this. That must be the only thing she tell us if you brush your teeth and beard. Then as big as you be, you know, feel dirt pan, you're numb. Huh? All your little sheet, them supposed to rush up people. That's why some of we don't know we are taking our body in and them are going like sexually really want your body. Diamond, you will take madman in a madman, we turn you on in a diamond. You know, bad to bad madman, we turn you on. Between me and you, my baby. Diamond will tell you, say me and you really have that too. How we like our man them with a dash of dirt. I don't understand Diamond, you know. I think I'm me alone a broke record. Diamond, I'm going to beg you leave me alone. Come out of my avenue. Oh. Diamond, may you have something in common, man. Madman really turn around. Then you, big man like figure it out who have pitney you have to send go beard and brush that. But Jesus deliver my soul from evil. I'll figure it out tongue supposed to have history. And then them like suck out tongue, you know, you see him teeth them a push him lip. Like it a part curtain. I'm not trouble him still. Yeah, I will float people boat. Then him and Ivani really match them because him na brush teeth and beard and Ivani a walk with a shootout. When Ivani bust in all street light lock off. Yeah, and you really make them people here worry you, Diamond. Diamond put a snap in it. Get up out of it, Diamond. You've been around the town and die. Tell me the truth where God love. When Ivani catches the bus out of the street light lock off. At the bottom of that, you know. Why people name out each other for years, months, or weeks, and mash up and say them and say these things. Oh, you want to know so? You want to know why people like figure it out? Diamond did make herself available. Remember, Diamond is a slaughtered lamb. She been around from before Bible leaf start make. So Diamond know her sacrifice, so she lay down. Remember, Diamond walk and look altar. And that's why them can't take it pan her now. Remember, Diamond is always the slaughtered lamb. Always remember that. Remember, it not take them nothing for filling diamond underneath the bus. Sometimes I wonder through diamond about long time if she have good ear tire. Them always a use and make vehicle wheel. It's true. We not always have to understand that. Remember them they run from before Eve did come from Adam's rib. Remember them they both in from Eve in Adam's side. I beg God, let me out, let me out. I am just a rib. I am just a rib. Remember, when I come out and see how Jaden at this diamond, so sometimes I want to tell them, I say, you deserve it. Come in and know how you get so close to these people. She's the quickest one for them fling under the bus. Dema is always wrong. You not understand? No, for sure. Them always a take set pan Dema. Them always. It is so easy for everybody believes that Daima are wicked. You know, it is so easy for sure. Yeah, it is so easy. That's why I say Daima should never get entangled with them. I say if figure it out, could I beat Daima, him would I beat her, you know? I look at him, Daima more man than him. Yeah? Then you can imagine having him a flu, but could they run him? She's too delicate to me. She look like her nose run. Yeah. Who else can chat? Come in and want to stay upon them a baby long, you know, and Ivan, your husband. The girl make she read out my file today. I can't bother go upon Apple, because Apple full of money and no man no want. That a teach us to listen. Maya run. Maya run. Because I don't know how you and TJ make life and them body out to do. What are doing on my phone? I will sit down upon it, Maya. Maya, you not provoke me enough. Me not show people. Back it up on the dump patch. Turn around. I must TJ, your belly I get big though you turn me off. It look like me have to lock off the light and shut my eye and bag you. I should take you through a glory hole. Maybe it's through a glory hole me should I take you, you know. Cause me not like so much pouch up front, you know. Eh, why you have your pullman at the front? Why you never come with a cross bag? Sure. Your tummy eye man, get up and go jog. You not have the earline and your belly big. Eh, man you come out like Uncle Ben Brown Rice, you know. I don't like the image. And that the girl let me fight over. TJ go on here. However look for you have the image, you know, if you ever want big painting. That's not rich at all, that I live off of my money. Oh, but that's rich. Eh? You never hear about having a farm of godliness, but in a godly. I want the burger. How this I tell my happy fathers Day. Go look for your baby father where eat your crutches. I wish him happy fathers Day. You wish me can be no daddy, me and mommy. Talk about classy. Classy are different, Jaden. Me not nothing to talk about classy. Well, I want to talk about classy for. I like when I promote people. Tired for promote people. I want to hear this is not the commercial center. What do you? Go on, man. When I go lay down. There's what a way I can come up with him and say him have how much people, 48 people upon him in chat. And if he want any money, Akeem, you too lie. Go fix your foot with the 48 people them. And money you look on time big. You too lie, Akeem. If you're blind, stop. Oh, well, if you're blind, nobody stop big harder. I forgot that only blind man alone big. But come in, Akeem, you're big for me have your vision. And now you're blind. You can't stop, man. You come attack. Then your eye got the over your bounce back. Then it's the over man we introduce Rosalito. I him blind and nasty. So no owe him. We no owe him because Rosalie did owe Mr. Sayers, you know. And you know what makes you not pay Mr. Sayers, Melissa. Melissa blow with the man. So Akeem, after you got over so much time, you mean to say you're over your bounce back, then oh you go see if you kill Jaden. Huh? She not say you want to kill Jaden, or you go see if you kill Jaden and your eye messed up. Rosalie, I forgot navigate you. Me not understand this. Cause she come in and say you want to kill Jaden, so oh you gonna navigate all of it. Rosalie, you have work to do, you know. I know the picking them now will get no attention. Jake's like how Akeem blind, you can't call Cheryl now. Nessa, you're free to go. Rosalie, I go busy. Yeah. I want to put things that unfolding, it will work out itself. Why all them stop me here? You see, sometimes you know for rush things, you know, look at it happen out like filing. Yes, my love. Rosalie, when Akeem fully blind now, you can't give him back all of the beating them when him give you. I know him now can't use your card. I hope him not memorize the number. I know the keyboard on the ATM because them boy they skill, you know. Kaka you can imagine him blind and operate like him can't see. And him come out in him real Charles, you know. Akeem, all the water behind your eye. I hope your mother not say nobody over you, you know, because you know you are your mama and dirty. I hope she not say nobody over you. It's things where you do, you never blow the powder in the right direction. Kaka fat. We not do them something you have to come with manual, man. So, oh, you did blow the powder, so? Also, be careful. When you can't see, I know Rosalie you can't feel him up. The wait is over. Yeah, your season has come, Rosalie. Eh? I know you can't feel him up and take out the pencil paint. Eh? But it doesn't make sense to take out the pencil paint and not nature. I know, come here. Agali. Come here. Come here, Agali. Nobody have no ag trough. You have to tame her, you know. Nobody have no ag feeding. Huh? Come here, Agali. Full of attitude, you see. I'm one of the longest ag we ever have, you know. Nobody know one near me. Come here, Agali. Full of attitude, yeah. Full of attitude, that's what she look for me. No, argue with me. Argue with me. Yeah. No, my, but then I me at them. And then I me at the backside. No, to mama. Oh, this about prayers. Prayers for Obia Walker. A godly kingdom on the road of Damascus. By the time him get back in vision, him a preacher. Make God do him work, my love. Make God do him work on this blessed Sunday. Yeah. Yeah. One. And at your time now, Rosalie go check on the water behind Akeem eye. Figure it out and drop down at Akeem a flood. What going you so? What going you so now? Akeem the pan land too long, water call him. I don't like these things in a sister Winnie. Me don't know how figure it out a faint and Akeem a flood. Somebody figure out this 7 and this why in a cash pot. She be let them look plump. So Diamond come here now. Then I win the thing them I go take on now. You think him blind for real she be a rap rank? After nothing to Akeem. Akeem wants some money, Akeem broke like dog. Akeem still from the remember say a jail Akeem a come from Anyamo Rosalina, but then when him come him talk about him a businessman and all promoters overseas a call him and all I know him can't live up. Then remember the lies them. Then a some man trick on him and breed, you know. The boy could have breed me, you know. The boy could have breed me. Number one, if you want this, me know the baby a come out as a criminal. Me not ask, you know. Remember, then if Akeem would have been dead before me believe. Yeah, he would have been dead. Dead when I said dead like Nisha before me believe. You don't believe me? This is all for money. Akeem won the FYP. All you see them there. From Jaden to figure it out to World Dog to Akeem, them want the FYP. And the FYP them a fight over. Now I ask you, then you really believe that about prayers? About this and about that? You really believe that? Or you easily trick for the spirit open and loose? That's why I couldn't do it. I couldn't depend this and say, follow me guys, well I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it because someone now open vessel. Yeah. Then you really buy into that? Look how much time RT Bass did. You really buy into this? Let me make your style pull up. Then tell me the truth now. Not no do Akeem. Not no do them a thief. A prison Akeem did that come from. Akeem tell on the same say every single thing. When him there jail, like him did have nothing. Him never have nothing, him do him remand, him do him sentence and come out. Catherine figure it out. Books out Rosalie, Nyama Road. Rosalie by Akeem in first bedroom set. No make nobody tell you no nothing. Before Rosalie buy herself a bedroom set, Rosalie buy Akeem in first bedroom set. We don't know follow the ratio. Then you never see it. You don't really make man trick on and still a trick on. Still a trick on. Akeem use Rosalie ATM card, you know. You know what I couldn't know the stripes. Dime a figure it out. The whole of them know this and them a wait until the bus out come. Go on, man.